Hello, going through some problems from PreCalc, section 3.1, or 1.3, excuse me, and day 1. First of all, the two top ones, number 11 and number 31, I had one incorrect term with that one. So the answer should have been just kind of just foiling on steroids here, or distributing. So we should have gotten 3x to the 5th plus 20x to the 4th minus 4x cubed minus 11x squared plus 30x. This was the one that had the issue, and minus 28. Also, number 31, I had a slight error in as well. When we take a look at this, these are conjugates, so I just square the first minus the square of the second. I did not have the b squared there. So those are the two there that had a little hiccup there. So kind of continuing here, number 17 was also asked about. I'm distributing. So I get x times root x, and then here I get root x times root x, and this just becomes x. So I get, x and then minus here. So that's how that should have kind of came out to be there. Moving on, number 33. Number 33 is cubing a binomial. So what I like to do this. There's shortcuts, but the best way to do it is maybe to do these two guys first and then multiply by this other binomial. So when I FOIL this out, I get this 2a cubed for my o and I pieces, and then I get this for my last. And now I've got to go ahead and do kind of a form of distributive property here. So when I run the 1 through, I get just what I have here when I multiply everything by 1. When I go ahead and I multiply the a cubed through, I'm going to get 1a cubed. I'm going to get 2a6, and I'm going to get a9. And so my final answer is going to be 1 from here, and then I get 3a cubed from this guy and this guy. I get 3a6 from this guy and this guy, and then I have this a to the 9th. Okay, that takes care of number 33. Number 19, I get the plain old FOIL here. So when I FOIL, first times first is 21t squared. Last, outsides, excuse me, I get negative 15t. Insides, I get negative 14t. And last times last, I get plus 10. Now the 21t squared is the only t squared term. The plus 10 is the only constant term, but these two combine to get 29t. Okay. Moving on here. 27 is, again, it's extended distribution, so I'm going to run the 2x through first. So I get 2x to the 3rd minus 2x squared plus 2x. When I run the 5 through, I get minus 5x squared plus 5x, and then minus 5. Now I like to kind of stagger them like this. That makes it easy for me to kind of add them up here. So I get a 2x cubed, I get a minus 7x squared, I get a plus 7x, and I get a minus 5. Alrighty, that's 27. And the last one, I have conjugates here, so it's just FL. So I'm going to get x4 minus a4. And again, FL is when we have conjugates. So first times first, last times last. So that's kind of a quick way. If you do FOIL, then the O term and the I term cancel each other out. So there you go. Hopefully that helps. If you have any more questions, bring them to class next time we meet face to face.